Hey everyone, Tony here. Let's talk about a hidden cost that's eating into your bottom line. I call it the subscription tax. Why are we still paying a monthly fee just to type a simple letter or print an invoice? By July 2026, that tax is going up again. Microsoft is hiking prices to $14 a user for business standard and $70 a year for personal plans. You can go to the website and scroll through. Prices are going up on everything they have here. So do the math. If you got 5 employees, you're looking at nearly $1,000 in a year just for the right to open your own files. If you don't pay up, they lock your documents. To me, that's like renting your own tools from the hardware store every single month. You shouldn't have to pay a tax just to open a document you wrote 3 years ago. Today, I'm letting you in on an aftermarket secret for small shops. It's called LibreOffice. It does everything the name brand suite does, but it keeps your hard-earned cash in your pocket where it belongs. Think of LibreOffice like the generic brand at the auto parts store. The packaging looks different, but the parts inside do the exact same job as the expensive factory version. It actually broke off from an old open office brand years ago to become its own high performance machine. The name Libre is Latin for freedom. It's not just free as in zero cost, though it is that too. It's all about freedom. Freedom from accounts, freedom from tracking, and freedom from that monthly bill. No subscriptions required. Here's how the tool maps out to the name brand version you're used to. Writer equals Microsoft Word for letters and documents. Calc equals Microsoft Excel for spreadsheets and bookkeeping. Impress is equal to Microsoft PowerPoint for presentations. Draw is like the multi-tool for diagrams and editing PDFs. And Base is like Microsoft Access for databases. Before we download the installer, we need to check your PC's engine to make sure we're getting the right version. So go to your Windows search bar and type in About Your PC up here on the top. I already did it before, so it's coming up. You should see right here, About Your PC. Over here, it's About Your PC. Click Open. Look for the line that says System Type, usually under Device Info. Right down here, System Type. Mine's a 64-bit operating system. So then that's where I'll be looking right here. The version 26.2.3 Windows, the 86 or 64 version. I will be clicking that one. On the bottom, it says ARM-based processor. You grab the ARM 64 version. You'll find this on newer ultra-thin gear like the Surface Pro 11 or Snapdragon laptops. Using that ARM 64 version on those chips ensures the software runs smoothly and doesn't hog your battery life. So I've already downloaded mine. So here's mine on my desktop. So let's open it up. These are a bunch of documents I've already been using. So let's click on, we'll open up Writer. And it may look a little bit strange to you up here. So I know some of you have decades of muscle memory with Microsoft's layout. Out of the box, LibreOffice looks a bit old school, but we could give it a little bit of a makeover so it feels familiar. To switch to the tab look, you're going to just go to the View tab, User Interface, and this is what we're seeing now. So you just want to go to the tab view, and you could either apply it to Writer, or like I apply it to all of them. And then there, see you go. See how it goes? Just like Microsoft. To really match the Microsoft aesthetics and avoid visibility issues in dark mode, let's check your icons. So you want to go to your options, go under Tools, Options, and you want to go under Appearance, and make sure icons is set to automatic Calibri. If it's not set to that, click apply, click OK. This mimics the style of Microsoft icons so your eyes know exactly where to go. A big worry for small shops is the formatting headache. You don't want to send an invoice to a customer and have it look like a mess on the screen. Okay, next thing you want to do in here is go to your tools, go to your options, go down here to load and save, general, and then you could click down here, always save as, click there, and choose Word 2010 365 document. Hit apply, hit OK. So now it should work back and forth with Microsoft. So let's open something I got here. This is an authorization form that I've been working on. Let's add this image to it. And let's see, another arrow over here. They don't have to be perfect. All right, file, save as. See, the file type's already Word document. We'll just put, let me see, we'll put it at the desktop again. Put a -1, enter. We'll close this. And I'll open up Microsoft Word. And we'll hit open. Go to the dashboard. Desktop. All right, we'll look for the one with the 1. The form with the 1, open that up. And doesn't look any different to me. Now every time you hit save, it automatically uses the format the rest of the world uses. Here's another gem that's in here. The drawing. So you go file, you could open up. Go to the desktop. Where's my Libre folder? I love this feature. This is a PDF I'm opening. All right. Click. Oh, undo that. Now this is a PDF. Now you can click here and you can edit it. Right in LibreOffice. Export it. That's what I did wrong. All right. So now that you know you can export it in here, or you could edit PDFs, and you hit File, hit Export. It says GIF. Just switch that to a PDF. Put an A or a -1 at the end of it. All pages. Export. So here's my folder where that one just went. Here's that folder with all the little changes I made. So before I sign off, I got one more tip for the do-it-yourselfers. If you run into a snag and don't want to hire a tech consultant, go to books.libreoffice.org. These are the factory service manuals for the software. They are detailed, professional, just like the program, and they are completely free. So stop renting your software. Keep that subscription tax in your own pocket where it belongs. If this tip helped you save some cash today, hit the like button and subscribe to Tony's Novice Tutorials. Keep those tools sharp. I'll see you in the next one.